Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making garlic Parmesan potatoes in a Ninja Foodi with Smart Lid. Alright, I'm starting out here in a bowl and I have roughly 2 pounds of baby medley potatoes. I'm going to spray them down with some olive oil. Just give them a light coating. And you just want to work them around, get the olive oil through there. Alright, now in my Ninja Foodi I already have it preheated. I'm going to add the potatoes in. And I'm going to set this to the bake roast setting, 375, and I'm going to turn the time up to 15 minutes. Or I'm sorry, it's 20 minutes. Now I'll let that go for about 15 minutes and then I'll check my potatoes and make sure they're starting to get tender, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, my potatoes went for 15 minutes. They're starting to soften up. I can smell them baking. I went and stirred them periodically through the air frying process. Now in this bowl I have a half a stick of butter. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Now you would use 4 cloves of garlic diced up. I'm just using the pre-diced stuff. So I'm going to put in about 4 cloves worth. Alright, and I have some fresh parsley here I just diced up. I'm going to put in probably about a teaspoon. A little more in there. Give this a stir. Alright, I'm going to take my butter mixture and dump it down over the potatoes. And what this will do is, as this finishes air frying or baking for the last 5 minutes, that flavor will cook into those potatoes. I'm going to give them a stir. And I'm not using a basket that came with this because this is a large enough vessel that the potatoes have room to air fry, and I didn't want to get it dirty anyways. One less dish to wash. Alright, I'm going to allow these to finish air frying for that last 5 minutes, and I'll go in and stir them one more time as they're air frying. Alright, my potatoes have about 2.5 minutes left of the 20-minute baking process. I'm going to go in with some shredded Parmesan cheese. I'm going to put a nice coating in there. Give them that stir that I said I was going to do. And guys, these are smelling fantastic. Alright, a little more cheese. And I'm allowed to let that finish air frying for that last 2.5 minutes. Alright, my 20 minutes are up. The potatoes are done. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and put a little more Parmesan cheese in there and some of that fresh parsley. And I made some sausage to go with this. Let me get in here. Give this a try. Potatoes are nice and tender. As you can see, they're just falling apart. And this was a slow cooker recipe I adapted for the Ninja Foodi. Potatoes are crispy on the outside, nice and creamy on the inside. You get that butter, the Italian seasoning, you get that cheese. Those are really delicious, guys, and they weren't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Garlic Parmesan potatoes in a Ninja Foodi Smart Lid. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.